Wow. Excavation station. Hi, Maya. Let's make flowers bloom. Meaning flowers, markers, scissors, water, and a tray. Step 1. Color the flowers. I like pink. Purple, purple, purple. Step 2. Cut up the flowers. Ask the grown-up for help. Can you help me?
Yeah? Okay, I'll cut out the first flower. Do you want me to cut out all of the flowers? Let me show you how I'm going to do it. Almost there. Almost there.
Papa.
Here are your flowers.
Now it's time for experiment. Step 3. Fold the petals. Ask the grown-up for help.
Let's try that one and I'll do work on this one. There you go. Oh, you're doing it. Good job. Very nice.
Now, let me put this in the water. Step 4. Put the flowers in the water. Wow. See what this one does? The flowers are blooming right now. When flowers bloom, they open up.
Maya, look at it go.
Real flowers need water too. They drink it up like straw, and it helps them grow. Wow. Are they real now?